It is National Preparedness Month. It is an opportunity for the Office of Emergency Management to provide information to our residents on how to be prepared for all hazards, whether it's a natural or man-made event. We're asking you to be prepared by having a plan, making a kit, and staying informed. It is an all hazards kit. It can be something as simple as a thunderstorm, high winds take down the power poles, and you're without power for several days. And you're going to rely on what's in that kit to help you get through that. It could be something as significant as a terrorist threat where we are directing you to stay in your home to protect in place. It's a life safety issue. To be prepared for that, you have to have a kit with food, with water, for up to 3 days. The food doesn't have to be fancy. Matter of fact, we ask you to stay away from refrigerated food. Packaged food could be something as simple as a huge jar of peanut butter or several different things such as that. It includes a gallon of water per person per day, and those are the really important items to have: food and water. Obviously, if you have medications, that also needs to be part of your kit. Other components of the kit could include cash. If power's out in the region, you don't have access to an ATM or to a bank, the only way to be able to purchase sometimes is having cash. There are some additional places to have a kit. One is in your vehicle, and the other is at your place of work. Because if we have a no-notice event, it's just that. We don't get any notice, and we have to be prepared wherever we are to survive. It is a personal responsibility. Government can't do it for you, and we will provide assistance if you need. If you go to our website, fairfaxcounty.gov/emergency, it provides some suggestions on what you should have in your kits for your home, for your vehicle, and for your work.